Hello students, myself Dr. Vasant Kumari, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today I am going to explain about the Laplace transforms of trigonometric functions. To solve the problems on Laplace transforms of trigonometric functions, we have to using these formulas. Table of Laplace transforms. Laplace of sin at is equal to a divided by s square plus a square. Laplace of cos at is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. S is greater than 0. We have to discuss about next slide. Find the Laplace transform of trigonometric functions of evaluate. Laplace of sin at is equal to a divided by s square plus a square. Here f of t is equal to sin at. We know that by definition of Laplace transformation of Laplace of f of t is equal to nothing but that is equal to f of s, that is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. That is Laplace of sin at is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st. We have to here substitute by definition of Laplace transformation f of t here f of t. F of t we have to replace sin at. We have to replace f of t replace sin at into dt. Here we suppose that s is greater than 0 and then integrate by using the formula integration of e power ax into sin bx into dx is equal to e power ax into a sin bx minus b cos bx divided by a square plus b square. Here a is equal to minus s, b is equal to a. We have to integration of e power minus s t. You have to previous slides observe that Laplace of sin at integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st sin at into dt. Here a you have to replace minus s, b replace a. You have to substitute using those formulas e power minus st into, here you have to compare that formula e power minus st you have to replace e power ax here into sin bt means here sin bx into dx. So here a is equal to minus s, b is equal to a. So you have to using these formulas e power minus st into, here a is equal to minus s. So a sin bx means nothing but minus s into sin at minus, here b is equal to a into cos at divided by a square means here minus s whole square plus a square. We have to apply limits 0 to infinity. Upper limits minus lower limits we have to apply and substitute. We get the answer Laplace of sin at is equal to a divided by s square plus a square. Similarly, we have to derive the formula Laplace of cos at or Laplace of cos mt, any constant. So Laplace of cos at or Laplace of cos mt. Same substitution method, f of t is equal to cos at. We know that by definition of Laplace transformation, Laplace of f of t is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. Here also f of t you have to replace cos at. So you have to substitute here by definition of Laplace transformation f of t you have to replace cos at into dt. Similarly, we have to know that formula e power ax into cos bx into dx is equal to integration of e power ax cos bx into dx is equal to e power ax divided by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. We have to using these formulas in above problems. So here also compare e power minus st, here e power ax, here a replace minus st, here integration with respect to x, here integration with respect to t. So you have to substitute here a is equal to minus s, b is equal to a. So here we have to substitute here a is equal to minus s, b is equal to a. We have to e power minus st into minus s cos at plus b sin bt divided by s square plus a square. Integrations apply 0 to infinity. So upper limits minus lower limits we have to apply and simplification. We get the answer 1 over s square plus a square. So you have to apply upper limits minus lower limits. So here we have to simplify. A into 0 is 0. Here minus of minus s, minus into minus plus s, is nothing but s divided by s square plus a square. We have to derive the formula Laplace of cos at is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. So some using these formulas, above you have to problem one simplify, evaluate sin square t. We know that formula, standard formula, sin square t is equal to 1 minus cos 2t by 2. We have to apply each term in terms of Laplace form, Laplace transformation, because we have to evaluate, we have to find the value of sin square t. We know that formula sin square t is equal to 1 minus cos 2t by 2. Each term we have to apply Laplace transformation. 1 by 2 taken outside, Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of cos 2t. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into Laplace of 1 means 1 by s minus, we already know the standard formula. Laplace of cos at means s divided by s square plus a square. Here a is equal to 2. So you have to using formulas s divided by s square plus 2 square. Further simplification, you have to another step 1 by 2 into 1 by s minus s divided by s square plus 4. Next, find the Laplace transformation of t to the power of n, where n is a positive integer. We have to prove that Laplace of t to the power of n is equal to n factorial divided by s to the power of n plus 1. So let f of t is equal to t to the power of n for n is belongs to z plus. We know that by definition of Laplace transformation, Laplace of f of t is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. We have to integrations. Here f of t is equal to t to the power of n. By definition of Laplace transformation, we have to substitute f of t replace t to the power of n. So integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st t to the power of n into dt. We have to integration that, we have to some substitution method, put st is equal to y, t is equal to y by s, differentiation with respect to y, dt by dy is equal to, with respect to y means 1 by s, we have to cross multiply, dt is equal to dy by s. So you have to integration 0 to infinity e power, you have to replace st means y, t means y by s, power whole raised to the power of n, dt means we have to return as dy by s. We have to integration 0 to infinity e power minus y to the power of n divided by s to the power of n into dy by ds. So I'll get 1 over s to the power of n plus 1, because we have to bases same, we can add the power. Here s to the power of n, s to the power of 1. Bases same is that we can add the power. So I will get s to the 1 divided by s to the power of n plus 1, integration of 0 to infinity e power minus y into y to the power of n into dy. Here limit is also applied, because substitution method limit is also applied. So that is t is equal to 0, y is also 0, t is equal to infinity, y is equal to infinity. So we get the standard formula, because we know that gamma function. By definition of gamma function, integration of 0 to infinity e power minus y to the power of n into dy is equal to gamma of n plus 1. This one is standard result. Previous symbol we know that, so gamma n plus 1. So that is Laplace of t to the power of n is equal to n factorial divided by s to the power of n plus 1, where n is the non-negative integer. Because standard we know that formula, unit 1 gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. That is we have to write the standard formula of gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. If you have any doubt, comment ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.